Go dira melao ditomagano kgotsa ditsamaiso go tlhokana le data kgotsa dipatlisiso tse di tseneletseng mme ebile di tlhomamisitswe e le boammaaruri go hitlhelela se ga ke ha sekai lephata la botsogo le boitekanelo gore le kgone le go hodisa bolwetse bongwe le tshwanetse go dira dipatlisiso tse di tseneletseng mme ebile di tlhomamisitswe gore ke boammaaruri gore ba kgone go hodisa ga mmogo go tla ka tse ba ka di dirang gore ba helle ba hodisitse bone bolwetse jwa go nna yalo gompe go thulaganyo around the district re mo GICC go ileng go le go re bolwa semmuso health data collaborative ka lephata la botsogo le boitekanelo le maphata a mangwe a berekisanyang le one nka mogele mo thulaganyo ya around the district a re se mo lehela ka go utlwa gore mme gone ke eng re le gone ha ga mmogo le maikaelelo a bokopano jwa gompieno.
I've been asked to come and welcome here and in a word or two explain our reason for being here. And firstly, let me say you are all welcome. Thank you very much for having decided to honor our invitation to be here. The essence of us meeting here, as the theme does suggest, it's really to gather and commit to the importance of data in our policy design or in almost everything that we do. Data is very, very important. One of the things that we have realized is very critical in this regard is that all the data producers need to come together and commit to share and publish this information for the benefit of the users. And indeed, there are many users, both in the public sector and in the private sector, the academia, development partners, they are very important, CBOs, NGOs, they need this data. And it's very critical for us in planning and designing our policies. We are doing this job or this work together with our colleagues, our local office of WHO, and we are appreciative for your collaboration. Thank you very much. And I need not say, if we don't find that kind of assistance, we'll of course have to seek assistance from our colleagues in statistics, because I know they've got a better way of making people bring the data to one place. So please, let's assist each other so that we can come up with better policies, better strategies for our health sector. I've seen this data very important, especially with the times that we are in. We keep on being phoned by people from outside on the number of people that we have tested regarding the coronavirus. Haven't we found one? At times we sense people are disappointed we haven't, but please don't. Don't. This is not a game we want to play in. We pray and wish and do all possible that we don't get one. And whenever we get one, we should contain it and do all possible not to allow it to spread. That's our intention, and that's our resolve as a ministry.
Maikaelelo a letsatsi la gompieno ke gone go tla go bua ka botlhokwa jwa data kgotsa botlhokwa jwa dipatlisiso le dipalopalo tse e leng gore di tshwanetse go bo di dirilwe ke maphata ka go harologana, mme a re tswalele le thulaganyo ya rona ya Around the District re bue ka botlhokwa jwa konokono jwa data gore ga re bua ka bone re bua ka eng.
This launch, I must say, ladies and gentlemen, comes at a very important time when Statistics Botswana is strengthening its work on building capacity within the sectors of the national statistical system to improve collection, compilation, processing, and dissemination of administrative data in order to ensure that decisions are anchored on empirical evidence based on quality data. This is being done through the implementation of the National Strategy for the Development of Statistics. Statistics Botswana, ladies and gentlemen, produces health statistics publications on the basis of data provided by the Ministry of Health and Wellness. These publications include the Annual Health Report, the Maternal Mortality Report, and the Botswana Cause of Death Report, and other statistical briefs that we release from time to time. The key statistics released through these reports include maternal mortality ratio, leading causes of death, both for infants and adults, and many other indicators. Ladies and gentlemen, these statistics are intended to inform on planning, policy formulation, and health intervention and programs in both the preventive health as well as curative health. Given the critical areas in which these statistics support evidence-based decision-making, it is crucial that the data used to arrive at these statistics be of a very high quality in all the data quality dimensions. The United Nations, through its Statistical Commission, outlines key 5 elements to define quality of data. There are many more dimensions, but these are completeness, consistency, accuracy, validity, and timeliness. The first component, which talks to completeness, this component really underscores the need to ensure that there is enough information to draw conclusions from the data that is in front of us. So to make sure that we have quality data, we must make sure that it is complete, there is enough of it to be able to draw the conclusions that we are drawing on the basis of that data. The second component, which I alluded to, is consistency, which considers the extent to which data is collected using the same processes and procedures by everyone who's collecting such data, and to ensure that this data can be consistently obtained in the same way, so that when we are talking about that data, we know we are talking about the same thing. The other component relates to accuracy. I think everyone will agree that if you have data, it certainly must be accurate in terms of what it is seeking to measure. The other is validity. If the data is not valid in terms of what you are looking at, then you might as well be groping in the dark. And lastly, but not least, is the issue of timeliness. So timeliness is an important part of quality in terms of making sure that the data is available in good time, so that decisions that are based on such data are also made within a reasonable time. Of course, now every effort, to the extent possible, is being made through data collections or the whole value chain of data processing to ensure that if you can, you have real time. So you will see that all the things that are being done these days, including what is referred to as big data, is to try to have your statistics in as close to real time as possible. Director of Ceremonies, ensuring that we attain levels of quality in line with the above components which I mentioned demands strong collaboration between different stakeholders with the guidance, of course, within the national statistical system of the coordinator, which is Statistics Botswana.
Dr. Burton aha yone overview ya Botswana Health Data Collaborative a tlhalosa gone gore kana data e ha bone bogakuludi mo go tse di tshwanetseng gore di dirwe ke lephata mme bile di ha bogakuludi ga go tla mo dikgang tsone tsa budget.